Sometimes things don't go as planned.
So here's what we imagined. A place where Rusty wouldn't just sit around and get a more rust, but will be transformed as well.
We wanted to set up a workshop with lifts and a ton of tools.
But reality hit us hard. Right now, financially, a garage in that size isn't in the cards.
Between rising costs and the sheer size of such a workplace, we had to make a very difficult decision.
And let's be real, it's not just the space that's costly. Rusty needs a complete paint job. We need to replace worn out tools, restock supplies, and all of that adds up fast.
For now, the big garage is on hold.
But we're not giving up on Rusty and our dream builds.
Instead, we're gonna work with what we got. My garage at home.
We'll keep it tight, get creative, and tackle every challenge that will come our way.
Sometimes the perfect setup isn't about having it all. It's about making the best of what you got. And with your support, we're gonna make some epic things happen right here.
We've been lucky to have an amazing community. Everyone that watches, likes, subscribes and joins our journey, you are fucking amazing.
It's the only way we can keep Rusty's story going.
And start new ones with other projects that we have dreamed up.
Every bit of support helps. Whether it's a like, a share, or even ideas you might have for Rusty and the builds we're bringing to life. Because with you by our side, that big dream garage isn't off the table forever.
For now we're starting small, right here in this little garage. But the things will go big, and trust me,
we will get Rusty looking like new. And who knows, one day we will be back here showing you the dream garage we always wanted.
If you're with us, you're not just following a build, you're part of a dream. And we're only just getting started.
Daumen hoch! Daumen hoch, Leute!